Students, in the previous class we have discussed the aromaticity of pyrrole. Today let us discuss about synthesis of pyrrole, which is known as preparations of pyrrole. So here the first reaction we are going to take here is NOR synthesis. Okay. So here what is the NOR synthesis? First of all, here going to happen condensation of an alpha amino ketone with a carbonyl compound was prepared by whom? NOR. Means what happens here? Here we are going to get the derivative only. We are not going to get pure compound of the pyrrole. So what we are saying here? Alpha condensation. So this is about alpha amino ketone. Alpha amino ketone. So this is alpha position. This is a beta position. Okay, alpha amino ketone we are saying. Condensation is nothing but what? Loss of water molecules, ammonia, means loss of small molecules like ammonia, N2, O2, H2O. So this all we call it as what? Condensation. So at which reaction we are going to react? Carbonyl compound. Carbonyl is nothing but it may be ketone, it may be an aldehyde. Okay. So after losing water molecule, means what happening here? There will be a loss of water molecule here. So what is the product we are going to form here? Pyrrole derivative we can say. We are not going to say pyrrole. Why? Because this is the group of pyrrole. Okay. But the side if you have been observed means here we are going to get the some functional groups. That one we call it as what? Derivatives. Okay. So let us see the mechanism of this reaction. How we have got. So what we have taken here first of all, RCO2R. So this is the reaction we are having, right? So we are reacting with this one alpha amino ketone. Then what we are going to happen? See, we are adding some base. Clear? RO2C we are having. So here H plus is lost. So see here clearly here the loss of here H plus will be having no generally CH CO2R we are having. So this H plus, this is the CH plus, this is C double bond R R2 we are having. Okay. So here CH in the place of H we are taking H plus. So when there is a loss of H plus we are going to get negative charge. Then you are going to add this molecule to this negative charge. So means what happens if you turn, wherever you are turning bond, what you are going to get? Negative charge here. Here positive charge. This positive will come and add here. So this is the molecule we have got. So observe clearly here, once again I am saying. So we have taken a dicarbonyl compound, means hydroxyl compound is removed. Okay, dicarbonyl compound we are taking here. We are what happening here? Rearrangement. When you add base like KOH, NaOH like that if you take, so there will be H plus loss, means minus H2O is lost. Okay, then you are going to form a negative charge. To this negative charge, if you turn bond here negative, here positive, so this is going to come and add here. So that is happened. So that one we got here. See, RCO2, here this one R3 we have got, and here I will say how we have got to the O minus H plus, and R for this is, and here H we are going to have, no, this H we have written, and N R5. Okay. Now see here also same thing happens. If you turn O minus H plus, this is this here H plus is there, no, this H plus will come and add to the OH. So this one we have got, and to this we are adding this molecule. So this one we have got, and finally it is the molecule we have got to this OH. So we are losing here H plus, no, this H plus is coming and adding to the OH. Observe clearly the second step what happens. See here, in the second step we are going to happen, if you turn O minus, here H plus is there, no, this H plus will come and add here, this bond form it as here. This is the bond we have got. Here H plus is there, no, this H plus will come and add to the OH, and this bond coming and adding here. So finally we got a derivative here. Then at what position the H2O molecule is going to remove means, see here. Here OH, here H. So there will be loss of H2O. Then we got double bond. Here also loss of H2O. Then we got double bond. See, minus 2 H2O we have lost. So we got double bond. So this one R2CO2R, maybe H. Okay. So this is the molecule we are going to form here. So this is about pyrrole derivative we have got. Okay. So now let us see second one, Hange synthesis. Hange and Fichte synthesis. So what is this reaction is nothing but, here also we are going to get pyrrole derivative. Here beta keto, here alpha haloketone we are taking, beta keto ester we are taking, and amines also we are going to take. Okay, so we are going to get the pyrrole derivative. So let us see here mechanism. In the step 1, what happening, RNH2 we are taking. So to this RNH2 we are adding the molecule ester. Okay, so to this ester, so what we are having here, OH, here H plus, here OH. OH we have got, and this one we have combined. So in the first step what we are observing, see here, in NH2 NH minus H plus we are having. Oh, if you turn here, minus charge you are going to get. This NH minus will come and add here, and H plus will come and add to the OH. We got here like this. And afterwards what happening here, H plus, here OH minus. Minus H2O is lost, and we are forming as a double bond, C double bond N. So this one we call it as imine. This is the first step we have got. So to the second step what happens, we are using tautomerization. Tautomerization is migration of bonds here. Okay, to this imine we are adding the compound, this one, alpha halo ketone we are using. So to this, what this chlorine will remove, and to this here CO2R3 R4. Again what happens here, H plus will come and, means this bond will turn here, H plus will come and add here. Okay, so then what happening, see here we are going to get double bond. Here H plus is there, no, this one it is forming. So we have lost Cl minus, no, this H and this Cl, minus HCl is going to lost, and we are forming as a compound amine again. And again if you do tautomerization we are going to get enamine. And after this what we are forming here, so here H will come here, OH, the double bond is presenting like this, and here NR dash you are going to get. Here H2O it is going to lose, it is going to lose the H2O molecule. Again it is forming as a double bond. This one we are getting a pyrrole derivative. So this is about Hange synthesis. So now the next synthesis is Paul-Knorr synthesis. First one we have seen Knorr synthesis, second one we have seen Hange synthesis. Now we are seeing here Paul-Knorr synthesis. So see here what happening in Paul-Knorr synthesis. 1,4 dicarbonyl compound we are going to take at first position, and fourth position we are taking. Next what we are doing? We are doing rearrangement, means we are forming as a alcohol group. When you turn bond here, means here H plus will, if you turn here minus charge, turn here minus charge you are going to get. Okay, so after getting minus charge what happens here, H plus is there, no, they will remove and form it as a double bond here, and they form it as a OH. And afterwards what we are getting here, RNH2. Okay, we are reacting with amines. So to this amines, so when you heat the compound there will be loss of water molecule. Okay, so here also we are forming as a derivative only. So here NR we are going to get remaining H2, H plus OH, minus H2O is going to lose. So this is the mechanism we have got. So to this mechanism, if we add NH2, we are going to lose water molecule and we are going to get the pyrrole. So this is one synthesis. And next one, let us see here by using zinc dust. Okay, So see here. Here we are taking succinimide. So this is the formula of succinimide. Okay, these are imide. NH is the imide, and two oxygen groups is there. That's why we call it a succinimide in the presence of zinc and heat. So what happening here? In the presence of zinc, okay, there will be a loss of 2ZNO, and it is going to form a double bond here. Okay, so this is nothing but pyrrole preparation. And next one, let us see here. We are taking a furon. This is the formula of furon, and if you react with NH3, to this furon, if you react with NH3, there will be loss of H2O in the presence of Al2O3, Lewis acid. So there will be loss of what here? H2O. H2O is lost, and directly it is going to coming and adding NH. So then we call it as what? This is a pyrrole, which is also one of the preparation of pyrrole. And last preparation, if you have been observed, we are taking alkynes and ammonia molecule. We are heating in red hot cube. So how we are going to get? So here this is a CH double bond CH, CH double bond CH. And there will be loss of minus H2. Okay. So let us see here what happening. If you turn bond here, there is a formation of bond. Okay. CH bond, double bond CH, here bond. And if you turn bond this side, so then what happening? Here we got bond and CH double bond here. And this bond how we have got? By losing H2, and this NH will come and add to this here. Okay. So then what we are getting here? We are getting a pyrrole structure. So this is nothing but pyrrole preparations. In the next class we can see the electrical properties of, means electrophilic, nucleophilic properties of the pyrrole. Thank you.